Shake your hand and say
So all this talk of hybrid cars and how much better they are for the environment has us asking the question, are they really that much better? The answer is yes, but not necessarily as much as we may have thought. In 2015, Timothy Banas wrote an article, Environmental Impacts of Hybrid Cars, and found that larger hybrids are producing 10% fewer smog producing emissions, and as the hybrids decrease in size, they're emitting up to 21% less smog producing fuels over our conventional counterpartner. Whether or not they're as environmentally friendly as they're advertised to be, they're worth taking a look into. What is a hybrid? A hybrid is a vehicle that uses more than one means of propulsion, which is the action of driving. Hybrids usually combine gasoline engines and electric motors for propulsions. They use two different power sources. Along with this combination of gasoline and electricity, all gas-electric hybrids utilize some sort of battery pack, according to Jeff Cobbs in an article on hybrid cars from 2014. Cobbs also notes the referencing of hybrids to a bridge towards pure electric vehicles, which aren't as popular due to their unreasonable costs. How does a hybrid work? Nicholas Jackson wrote an article in The Atlantic called Infographic in 2011 on how cars work. According to Jackson, when pulling away from a stop, the electric motor is powering the car, drawing on the battery for power. He also found that up to 15 miles an hour, the vehicle uses only the electric motor for power. He found that during casual driving, now only the gasoline engine is being used due to the higher efficiency. And during regular driving, the gasoline engine is also able to power the generator, producing electricity and storing it in the battery for future use. Throughout heavy acceleration, the gasoline engine and electric motor are working together, which is only possible due to the power split transmission, which allows the combination of the two different torques from each power source. During this combined use of the gas engine and the electric motor will use electricity from the generator and the battery only as needed. Another neat thing about hybrids I learned from Jeff Cobbs in his article on the three main types of hybrids is the stop and start technology, which shuts the engine down when the car is at rest. Releasing the brake lets the engine restart instantly. Jeff Cobbs also noted three main types of hybrids. The first type is a full hybrid, which is the most efficient. An example of a full hybrid would be a Toyota Prius. These hybrids teeter between gas to electric to a combination while simultaneously charging the battery, and will switch to gas to make sure to never run out of electric power. The second type of hybrid is a mild hybrid, which is not as efficient as a full hybrid. The battery and the electric machine, not necessarily an electric motor, operate, but only while the gas engine is on, because they're not powerful enough without the gas engine. The last type of hybrid that Cobbs mentions is the plug-in hybrids. These have the same technologies and qualities as a full hybrid, but they have a larger battery. Their increased supply of power allows them to run full electric, ranging from 6 miles to 38 miles, depending on the vehicle. The Toyota Prius emits 71% less CO2 than a Hummer H3 and 20% less methane gas than an adult sheep. Fun fact.
Snapple fact.
Overall, we've taken a good look into what a hybrid is, how it functions, and what its three main offsprings are. Hybrid vehicles receive significantly better fuel efficiency in miles per gallon. They release less emissions into our atmosphere, and although they are more expensive than our conventional cars, they are said to return the profits through fuel savings. I hope this gave you a better outlook on hybrid vehicles.
Totally did.
Thank you.